take a look in the
What is up, everyone? Good morning and welcome to my new vlog. See, early morning, girls came to wake me up. Just kidding. I thought they came for some good news, but they came to argue about everything. This is how they come and wake you up, through barking. Shoot. I gotta hurry up because our audit starts at 8:30 and it's already 8:10 now. But I don't wanna go without having anything, without having breakfast, so I'm making noodles too. Man, this is pro chicken noodles. That's why there are chicken wings in it. But anyway, like I said, I gotta hurry. I'll be doing general audit the entire day today. So, I gotta have fast and move out. It's lunchtime, so we're gonna have food. But I did not have this morning, so I'm ready for it. Yay. What happened?
Nothing.
What happened to Kaifo? Really? Why nobody is starting? I think I should start. Yep. Oh man, I just got back home, so I'm gonna wash up now. Yeah, it was really tiresome. Not exactly tiresome, but headache because of counting dollars. Just kidding, I mean rupees. That too, not cash, but just the numbers. Damn! What the hell is that? Oh yeah, it's a bee. Anyway, I'll wash up a little bit. I don't think I'll bath right now. Feeling so cold. Man, I love the sun at this hour of the day. See? Man, ew. What the hell?
Give
I've become a full-time shopkeeper, especially towards in the evening. See, even now there's a lot of practice going on, but I just got into the shop because there were a few customers who wanted to buy stuff. So, but my stomach is burning. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe because I tested the pickle which I made. You know, after coming to village, I am used to making pickle daily. That spicy one, my favorite. And it's very difficult for me to have food without pickle these days. That should not be my habit because I've got a gastric problem, but can't help. Man, what are these? Oh, I thought there was no more Coke. But there it is. Nothing special. Whenever I come to the shop, I always eat one sweet. I am not in the mood to eat right now. Yeah, as of now, I gotta take care of my stuff. Hi! Hey! Mom is calling for dinner. See, it's almost 9. Hey! Our rice bear cup. Only 500 rupees per cup. So getting ready for tomorrow. Oh my god. Yeah? Damn, advertisement went wrong, I think. There is no hole. There.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry about water. Rich peoples. It's already 10:30 p.m. and I'm having dinner just now. My god, it's a little spicy, but I love it. I'm loving it. Oh, I need to drink water, but as for me, I can only drink water after finishing, or else once I drink water, I won't be able to eat food anymore. So I'll have to finish, no matter how dry it gets. See, our cat and dog. What the? I'll try to finish it. It's getting cold. And I forgot to end the vlog last night. I thought I will end the vlog once I reached the room, but as soon as I reached the room, I got into the blanket and I did not sleep as soon as I got into the blanket. However, I forgot about it oddly. So now that I woke up, I'm here to end the vlog. So that's gonna be all about it for this vlog, and you know, I'm gonna start making the next vlog. So I will see you guys in the next. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Man, I am not sure if you guys are hearing me clearly or not. I mean, if you guys can understand me or not, because of the voice early in the morning. See, even me, I myself am confused what I am saying. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.